listen carefully. Critical points of x are 3 and 7. Now, there are 3 cases. One is there could be a point less than 3 that might give me the answer. There could be a point between 3 to 7 that can give me the answer. There could be a point greater than 3 that will give me the answer. Instead of writing the cases, now we will do it in terms of this point, distance from a given point. Now assume that case 1, assume that there is a point to the left side of 3 that is satisfying the equation. Hypothetically assume that this is the point. We don't know what is the value, but we know that modulus is a distance from a given point. From point to 3, it is there at some distance. I will call that a distance as a d. So mod x minus 3, from 3, it is at a distance of d. Mod x minus 7, from 7 to 3, what is the distance? 4. What is this distance? D. That means from 7, what is the distance? 4 plus d. Are you all with me? Equivalent to 12. So what it will become? 2d plus 4 equivalent to 12. 2d equivalent to 8. D equivalent to 4. That means this point is 4 units to the left of 3. 4 units to the left of 3 means what is the value? Minus 1. Case 2. First listen, then you can write case 2. The critical points of x are 3 and 7. What is case 2? Between 3 to 7 there could be some point that will satisfy. Let me call this point as this. If I call this distance as a d, this distance as a d, total it is 4. What will be this value? 4 minus d. So from mod x minus 3, this is at a point d. From x minus 7, this is at a point 4 minus d, equivalent to 12. 4 equivalent to 12. Is 4 equivalent to 12? No. Case 3. Case 3. There could be some point to the right side of 7, it will satisfy. Right side, I call this point. This is at a distance d. This is at a distance 4. So this will be mod x minus 3 from here to here. 4 plus d. From here to here, it is d equivalent to 12. 2d equivalent to 8. D equivalent to 4. That means this is at a point 4 units to the right of 7. What will be the answer? 11. That means instead of writing cases from right now, we will use the distance method to find out the answer. Please write down. Now I think this will also be clear. Distance from a given point. Instead of writing cases and everything, please understand it. Between 3 to 7, there could be a point. This method is works for whether the sign between them is plus or minus or 3 modulus functions are there or 4 modulus functions. Case 3. Now, case 3. To the right side of 7, there is a point. So I am taking this point. This value it is, what is the value? I am assuming it to be d. If it is d, mod x minus 7 is d. Mod x minus 3 from here to here. What is this value? 4. What is this value? D. Ashok. So total distance will be from here to here 4 plus d. Mod x minus 3 from here to here it is 4 plus d. Mod x minus 7 from here to here it is d. 2d equivalent to 8. D equivalent to 4. The point is 4 units to the right of 7. 4 units to the right of 7 is 11. Mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 12. Method 3. Coordinate geometry method. Coordinate geometry method. What is this method? See here, this is taken from 8th class NCERT textbook method. Coordinate geometry method. Step number 1. What are the critical points of x here? 3 and 7. Now see here. First to plug in x equivalent to 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 7 minus 4. Mod of minus 4 is 4. That means if you take x equivalent to 3, right hand side will be 4. Yes or no? Then take x equivalent to 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. it is also 4. So this will be 7 comma 4. Now listen carefully. One is 3 comma 4 and another is 7 comma 4. Let me see the behavior of this graph to the right side of 7 or to the left side of 7. Now let me take 8. Let me see what is happening. If I take 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. What is 5 plus 1? 6. If I take 9, let me see what is happening. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. If you see here, increasing x by 1, y is increasing by 2. Are you all with me? Now, but according to the question, what is the right hand side? 12. That means after 8, I will get 10. After 10, I will get 12. Increase in y by 2 has resulted in increase in x by 1. 9. What will be the next value? 10. What will be the next value? 11. That means to get the right hand side 12, what should be the value of x? 11. X equivalent to 11. Go to the left side. If I take 2, what will be the value? 2 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 7, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6. That means decrease in x by 1 value has resulted in increase of y by 2 values. I require 12, 8. This is a 10 and this is 12. This is a decreasing by 1, 0 and minus 1. What will be the value of x? Minus 1 or 11. Are you all with me? This is by using graphs. Take step number 1. Identify the critical points 3 and 7. Take x equivalent to 3. Check what is the y value. Y value is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 7 mod of minus 4 is 4. 3 comma 4. Take y. Take x 7. 7 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 comma 4. See the behavior of the graph after 7 and before 3. After 7 I took 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. 6. 8 comma 6. Increase in x by 1 value. Increase in y by 2 values. Increase in y by 2. Increase in y by 2. Increase in x by 1. Increase in x by 1. Same as the case. You choose whatever that you think is the right method for you. It's always good to know multiple methods because not one method. If you change the question anyway, after some time I will give you what happens if plus is replaced by minus. Which method is the best method? I will give you the table. In fact, you only will realize that when to use which method. This is method. Mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 12. Listen carefully. Critical points for this question are 3 and 7. Assume that it is a distance from a given point. Assume that a person is standing at point 3. Another person is standing at point 7. So, person is standing at 3, another person is standing. Combinedly, A plus B, combinedly both of them needs to travel. How many units? 12 units. Both of them need to travel 12 units. Now, there are 3 cases that are possible. A will come to B. A and B could go to the right of B. Are you all with me? Second case. B can come to A. A and B can go to the left of B. Second case. Third case. A and B can travel in opposite direction. Are you all with me? Now, third case is not possible because A and B, if they travel in opposite direction, if they meet at any point, if they meet here, what is the total distance traveled? 4. If they meet this side, he comes this side, he comes this side. What is the total distance? 4. But what is the right hand side? 12. That means they cannot travel in opposite direction. So that is ruled out. So what is the first case? A will come to B. 3 will come to 7. How much travel? 4. 4 units traveled from point 7. Already 4 units traveled. Remaining how many units needs to be traveled? 8. A will come to B. A and B are traveling in this direction. A and B are traveling. How many people are traveling? 2. Next one. B will come to A. How much it has already traveled? 4. From 3. Already 4 units traveled. Remaining how many units I need to travel? 8 units. 8 units to the left of 3 is a minus only, right? So 3 minus 8. How many people are traveling? 2. Minus 1 are left. 2 people are there. 2 people are there at point 3 or 7. A can come to B, A and B can go in the right side. B can come to A and B can go in the left side. Minus 2 plus mod x plus 2 mod x minus 5 equivalent to 13. A practice question. Mod x plus 2 plus mod x minus 5 equivalent to 13. Just by looking at the question, you will get the answer. Again, I am solving method 4. I am carrying forward in the method 4. Step number 1. Critical points of x are minus 2 and 5. Critical points minus 2 and 5. A and B. They cannot travel in the opposite direction, because if they travel in the opposite direction, what is the maximum distance they will travel? 7. So, but it is 13. A will go to B. So, 7 units from 5. Remaining 6 units needs to be traveled by how many people? 2 people. He will go to this place. Already 7. 7 units traveled. Remaining how many units? 6. 6 units you need to travel by 2 people. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 and minus 5. Are you all with me? Now here you will get few doubts. Shall I go ahead? Understood? Now, if you see here, there are few cases that will come. What is between 3 and C? What is the gap? 4. So the distance between 2 critical points in this case is the less than the right hand side. What will be the next case? Distance between 2 critical points equivalent to right hand side. What will be the next case? Distance between 2 critical points is greater than the right hand side. Are you all with me? Now it is less than. Let us do equivalent to or greater than. Then we will put a minus sign. Then we will put 3 modulus functions and so on. Are you all with me? Next one. Next question. Mod x minus 1. Next question. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 7. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 6. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 6. Listen carefully. Mod x minus, I hope why this question? Distance between 2 critical points is equivalent to right hand side. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 7. This is 1 and it is 7. Now if you see here, if 1 travels to 7, how many units traveled? 6. No more distance, it will stop at 7. That means critical point value will also be 7. 7 will come to 1. How many travel? 6. So it will stop there. There is no travel. 1 will also satisfy. Now think logically. At any point they meet in between, whether here or anything. What is the total distance traveled? 6. At any point, that means any point they meet, it will always make a distance. 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 7. Suppose if x is 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 7, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. You think logically, whether this point or this point or this point, any point, what will be the answer? It is 6. So, whenever the distance between 2 critical points is equal to right hand side, I will get a range for x. I will get a range for x. I will get a range for x. Mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 8 equivalent to 4. Mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 8 equivalent to 4. Now, if you see here, what is this question? The distance between 2 critical points is greater than the right hand side. Now, if it is 3 and if it is 8, what is the gap right now? 5. That means any point they meet, what will be the minimum distance they will travel? 5. But what is the right hand side? 4. No value of x will satisfy. At any point they meet, what is the minimum distance they will travel? 5. But actually what is the right hand side? 4. No value of x. X minus 1 plus mod x minus 7 less than 5. We are replacing equivalent with inequality. Because we did for one name equal, one thing, same analogy holds good. First forget about less than. First for 5, it is 1, it is 7. Well, let us make it as 15. Otherwise answer will be no value. D is 1 to 7. 1 to 7 is 6. That means from point 7, 6 already traveled. How many more to travel? 9 more to travel. How many people? 2 people. 7 plus 4.5. How much it is? 11.5. 7, 1. It is 6. 1 minus 9 by 2. 1 minus 3.5. Since it is less than means it lies between minus 3.5 less than x less than 11.5. Less than 11.5. Idea clear? Minus 6 mod 2x minus 6 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 12. Mod 2x minus 6 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 12. Now see here, first things, you make it as 2 into mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 7 equivalent to 12. Since the coefficient is 2, the critical points of x are 3 and 7, but it is 2. So instead of one person, make 2 persons. Stay here at point 3. Here it is C. Here it is C. So 3 to 7. What is the distance? 4. A to C 4. B to C also 4. So what is 4 plus 4? 8. From 7. 8 already travelled. Why it is 8? A will go from 3 to 7 4. B will also go from 3 to 7 4. 4 plus 4 8. From 7 already 8 travelled. How much more to travel? 4 by 3. Is over. Next one. 7 will go to 3. How much travelled? 4. 4 already travelled. From 3. Already 4 travelled. Remaining how much more to travel? 8. 8 to the left side. 3 minus 8 by 3. 3 minus 8 by 3. I hope you understood that at least 2x and everything. But now, next one. Please put a star mark on this question. Mod x plus 4. Mod x plus 4 minus mod x minus of mod x minus 3 equivalent to 12. Mod x plus 4 minus mod x minus of mod x minus 3 equivalent to 12. Now here one point, wherever modulus functions are added, this method is the best method. Please write down in your own language. When the modulus functions, there is a plus sign between the modulus functions, these going and coming, right? This method is the best method. Method 4 is the best method only when the modulus functions are added. Modulus functions are added. When all modulus functions are added, then this method is the best method. This method is the best method. Now, what happens if there is a negative sign? Now, listen carefully. This question I will solve, another question you need to solve. Whenever modulus functions has got a negative sign in between, coordinate geometry method is the best method. Please write down. Coordinate geometry method is the best method. Method 1 and method 2 are the generic definitions of modulus function. Depending upon the question, that method will become the best method. That method will become the best method. Now, see here. Listen carefully. First, identify the critical points. X equivalent to minus 4, 0, minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So, this will be minus 11. Right hand side will be minus 11. Next, x is 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 0. 0 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. then x equivalent to 3. 3 will be 7 minus 3 minus 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. That means values will be minus 4 comma minus 11. Next will be 0 comma 1. Next will be 3 comma 4. First listen. See the behavior of this graph after 3. Let me take 4. Let me take 4. 4. What will be the right hand side? 4 plus 4, 8. 8, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, at one point. We are just seeing the slope of the graph. It is 4 comma 3. Now see here. What is this value? 4. If the increase in x is by 1, y is decreasing by 1. But from 4, what is the value I require? 12. For 4 to become 12, 4 should increase, right? But 4 is decreasing. That means to the right side of 3 comma 4, there is no value of x that will satisfy. Go to this value. If I go to this value, see here, if it is minus 5, minus 5 plus 4, minus 1, it is 1. 1 minus 5. Next one, minus 5 minus 3, minus 8. 1 minus 13 is minus 12. Minus 12. Now see here, x is decreasing by 1. Y is also decreasing by 1. If it is minus 11, it is becoming minus 12. Like this is going to the left side of minus 11. But I require 12. 12 means it should go to the right side. No value of x will satisfy. No value of x will satisfy. Please don't leave this kind of questions. These are very easy to solve if you know it. No value of x will satisfy. Coordinate geometry method can also be used here, but the only thing is that you need to see the behavior of the graph. Now, why am I not seeing in between? In between, the value of y will range from minus 11 to 4. I require 12. Again, this side or that side? This side? Step number 1. Identify the critical points. X is minus 4, x is 0, x is 3. I got these values. Minus 4, minus 11, 0, comma 1, 3, comma 4. Then take x value greater than 3. I took 4. 4 plus 4, 8. This is x is 4. 4 minus 3. I got y is 3. 4 is becoming a 3. 4 to become 12, 4 should increase. But 4 is decreasing. Greater than 3, comma 4, no value. Similarly, minus 5. I got minus 12. Minus 12 is to the left side of minus 7. No value. I hope you are all with me. Understood, right? Clear? Try to solve one more question on your own. Find the value of x. Find the value of x satisfying the equation. Find the value of x satisfying the equation. Mod 2x plus 6. Mod 2x plus 6 minus of mod x minus 2 equivalent to 12. Mod 2x plus 6 minus of mod x minus 2 equivalent to 12. Try to solve it. Is minus 3. 0 is 5. Minus 3 minus 4. First method is minus 3 minus 5. X is 2. 4 plus 6 is 10. 0. 10 minus 0 is 10. 2 comma 10. 2 comma 10. Minus 3 minus 5. Next is 2 comma 10. Next is 3. If I put 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 minus 1, 11. Now, increase in x by 1. Increase in y also 1. Increase of 4. 4 comma 12. 4 comma 12. 4 comma 12. Next is minus 4. minus 8 plus 6, 2, minus 4 minus 2, 6, 2 minus 6, minus 4, minus 4. That means decrease in x by 1, decrease in x by 1, y is increasing by